Now she's a thug. This big ass styrofoam motorcycle carrier. I don't know what the fuck she said, but I think she said I was real good looking. I heard you had the birds for the low.
Hello.
Let me cop 5 birds, please.
聽不到啊，聽不到啊，
Them all weigh 1,000 grams each?
聽不到。
No? All right. For sale?
No. Hey,
What's up, a little bruh? Where mommy at? Scary. Hey, 你好。
你好，你好，抓鸡。
Fadi? I'm looking for the Birdman.
哎，领导，来吧。
Bro, I got the real turtle
鸽
doves.
子是吧？鸽子。
Them doves right there.
哎，老哥。
I gotta go, young thug. I see you getting money. I'm about to cook one of you punks tonight. I'm about to have some chicken breast. You niggas hella ugly. Bro, you buzzed. I know. You buzzed. Hey, ni hao. I'm looking for the biggest goose leg. They got all the battle toads here. Got the big water snakes. Hella cowabunga ninja turtles. What y'all niggas got over here? Hella shrimp. Ni hao, ni hao. Got that clam for the low. Fish head sweet. Oh, that's how you beat a nigga inside the head. You just stun him just like that. You slam dunk him. Let me see you slam dunk that one more time. And that's how you shut a fish up.
谢谢。
谢谢。
老板娘，
Oh. Hey. She said, our money ain't no good. So now they giving me free shit. Look, her money ain't no good. Oh. Go. Hey, money ain't no good. Out here playing. Extra juicy. So, we at the underground food market, right? And I'm eating how salmon ass duck once again. Then I'm about to go inside. Food, high quality. And rip his guts out for the finisher move. That's how you gut a goose. And I got it for the low. Who need a heart? That's how you finish them. Big chicken hearts. They're like scrambled eggs right there. I'm at the secret trap where it goes down. So Shay, I got some chicken feet for you, bro. That motherfucker need a pedicure. No shirt gang. That's nice ham hock ankles right there. Look at bacon bag. That thick slab of bacon. My young boy Dolph would love to fuck a bacon cheeseburger up with this. Oh, if my young boy Els is alive, I'll buy him this fat piece of bacon. Bacon cheeseburger. He the only young nigga I ever knew that put bacon on his McChicken. R.I.P. little bruh Els. I wish you could really see me and witness this shit. Blow torching. Hella meat. They think I'm the food inspector. I'm giving everybody A's. Everybody passing with me. Ni hao. Try to be the black sheep. I refer to the black chicken. That's what they mean. You don't want to stick out. I want that one. Mama always said if it's white, it ain't right. And shout out to the duck lady. She put me on this 3-piece of duck. And this shit A1. I'm talking about this 1988 Jordan slam dunking from the free throw good. You feel me? Hey girl, how you doing? She buzzed. She mad because she ain't getting in this duck. I'll share with you. Want some? I'm telling you right now, bro, the Birdman here, bro, put your orders in. He got birds for the low. I'm about to cop me a 5-pack, bro. What you needed? Yeah, man, 8,000 grams each, bro. You got them for the low. Alright. So you want 4. I'm gonna get 5. And she gonna get 2. And he gonna get 1. Fuck it. I'm about to buy all of them, bro. Hey, how much for all these birds right here? I need that one, 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 that one too. Yeah, that one got too much baking soda on them, cool. Bro, I got the birds for the low. Holla at your people. I'm in China, fucking with the plug. Drinking hella soy milk.